Okay, here's how to make everyone love you. Number one is to decide that you are someone who is loved, lovable, so easy to love, you're pure love. And also to decide that you're someone that everyone loves, everyone wants to be around, and you're everyone's favorite person. So this is not about changing the opinion of other people, searching for external validation, or trying to be liked. In fact, it's literally about just simply changing your own opinion of yourself and what you think other people think of you. Because remember that everything internally that you're deciding and assuming to be true will be reflected out there in other people as well. So, first of all, it is not selfish to want to be loved, treated better by other people. We are all human beings. We're consciousness having a human experience, but we also still have that human part of us that craves love, right? We need love, but also at the same time, then we have that consciousness part of us that is literally just underneath it all. We're pure consciousness, and we literally are love itself. So we came here to remember who we are, to have the most incredible experience that we choose, and to experience love through other people. It is not selfish to have a high opinion of yourself, and also it is not controlling or manipulating to assume the best about other people. Okay, so I'd rather assume the best about other people and get the best versions of people rather than assume the worst and then experience the worst of humanity. Like, no, thank you. I would rather, you can choose either to live in hell or paradise. It is completely up to you. I remember whenever I used to assume and think so negatively about myself. I didn't like myself. I didn't like my body. I spoke and thought negatively about myself, saw myself in a very low regard, and also thought the world was out to get me, thought everyone was against me, thought people hated me, all of that. And that was the only perception that I saw. And my life was just like hell, right? And I was very depressed. When I completely shifted my identity, started to love myself, think highly of myself, and also as well think that everything is working out for me, everyone loves me, and I'm so lovable. Why wouldn't they love me? Because I'm such a lovable person. Everything started to change, and my life became so much better. I get so much love. I get so much amazing treatment from the people in my life, but also as well strangers too, right? Even if someone shows up in an unfavorable way, it's not about making it mean anything about yourself. It's actually recognizing like, oh, maybe they're just having a bad day, or like whatever it is. It doesn't mean that they don't like you. So it's all about the meaning that you're assigning to things. So the first thing I want you to do is, it's twofold, right? It's the opinion of yourself and the opinion that you have, that you think other people think about you. Okay, my battery died. The question that I want you to answer is, who do I think that I have to be in order to be loved? You can go even deeper with it. Who did I think that I had to be in order to receive love from my parents or whoever it was that took care of you? So this will literally highlight to you anywhere where you felt like you had to be a certain way or act a certain way or do a certain thing in order to earn love, when love does not have to be earned. Love is who you are. It is your birthright, and you're good enough, worthy, and deserving of love exactly as you are. So whenever you uncover those limiting beliefs that you have about yourself, right, the hidden beliefs that are running the show, you'll actually recognize any way in which you have been placing yourself as lower than other people. No one is above you. Nothing is above you. You're the creator of your life. You're the source of all that is. So it's time to change those beliefs, to love yourself, to see yourself in a high regard. The way that you do this is, first of all, actually recognizing like, what are those limiting beliefs? Like, why do you think that that person doesn't love you? Why do you think that that person doesn't want to be with you, or why do you believe that not everyone loves you, right? That will literally give you an insight into the beliefs. This isn't about, again, changing the opinions of others. It's not about actually trying to be liked by anyone else, which is so ironic because literally the more that you give yourself the validation, the more that you give that validation of what you want to hear from someone else to yourself, right? You can go look in the mirror and actually tell yourself that. When you wake up in the morning, go to the mirror, look in your eyes and actually speak to yourself like you're so amazing, you're so beautiful, you're good enough, you're worthy, you're deserving of everything you want. I believe in you, you've got this, right? Like literally speaking to yourself like you would in such a high regard to a newborn baby. The reason why I say this is because you would not go to a newborn baby and say that it's egotistical or it's selfish for that baby to think highly of itself. You want that baby to be showered in unconditional love. You want that baby to have the absolute best experience in life. You want that baby to be safe, taken care of, to reach its full potential, because you see its true nature literally is love. But that's the thing. You come into this world as pure consciousness, love, having a human experience. And you came here to remember your power, to experience love through other people. And you also as well still are that. You just got older. So it doesn't change with age. Your age and getting older doesn't mean that you're any less worthy of love. It shouldn't change how you see yourself, right? If anything, you should see yourself in an even higher regard, because look at everything that you have done. Look at everything that you have achieved. Look at who you have become. Look at everything that you have gone through, transformed through, grown through. Like, damn, take a moment for yourself, please. Okay? So, whenever you're getting out of the shower, look in the mirror. Whenever you're getting ready, look in the mirror, look at your body, praise your body, celebrate your body, speak words of love over your body, because it is a divine temple. You're divine, your body is divine, everything about you is divine, but you have to choose to see that in yourself first. And people are reflecting your self-concept. When you have a high self-concept, it then becomes extremely easy and natural for you to believe and to just assume, like, of course everyone loves me because I'm so lovable, like I'm this, I'm that. It's okay for you to claim that for yourself. In fact, I would say it's necessary. It's the most important thing that you can do to love yourself, because the more that you're becoming the source of love for yourself, you're not needing that from other people. You don't feel the need, the lack, the missingness of it, right? You don't feel like a void or a hole inside of yourself. You don't feel empty because you're fulfilling yourself. And you might have moments of that, right? It's not bad or wrong to miss someone, to want someone, to want to be with someone, to want friends, to want family, to want love from a specific person. It's not wrong to want any of that. In fact, you literally get to have anything and anyone that you want, and you do, because it's already yours, it's already done. As soon as you desire it, it is literally yours, it's done. And also as well, like, desire is literally in our nature. It's in our nature to create. It's in God's nature to create, right? Consciousness, source, whatever you want to call it. Literally, it is in the nature of God to create, and we have God within us. We are pure consciousness, which means that we are the god or goddesses of our reality. We are the king or queens of our reality. We are the artist. So it's natural to want, right? It's natural to have desires. It's also okay for you to have all your desires. It's okay for you to want and crave that love from someone else. But recognize that whenever you go within to experience it, right? And that can be, yes, loving on yourself. It could also be closing down your eyes and like imagining that person showering you in love. And it could be someone specific that you know, or it could even be you know, just like a man or a woman that you see in your mind, and you're just bringing that scene into your mind of what you want to experience with that person, and feeling how it feels to be loved, to be with that person, can also be extremely powerful, because it brings you into a state of love, and therefore your reality has to show you more of that. It looks like you're attracting it, it looks like that you're manifesting it, but really it's just reflecting the love that you already are and that you are accessing within yourself, because everything is being created from you. Your internal imagination, the words that you're saying, and what you are assuming through your thoughts to be true, right? On a daily basis as well. Like, we make very micro decisions, micro assumptions about other people in our lives. And like I said before, I personally feel like it's actually way better to assume that everyone loves you rather than everyone hates you. Like, it's definitely more of an enjoyable experience in reality to have that experience, right? And even when someone doesn't show up in a favorable way, whatever it is, you love yourself so much and you have a high self-concept that you're just not even available for that. You're only available for the best. You're only available for love. So you it's not that you necessarily ignore it. You might, you know, like stand your ground or do whatever you need to do, obviously, in order to protect yourself, in order to be safe, in order to, you know, take care of yourself. And also, like, so not taking any BS from your reality, but at the same time, you don't make it mean anything about yourself, and you take your energy off of that and go within, because you know that you've got the power to change a situation, and instead visualize what you want to experience with that person or in that situation. You can literally use your power to turn anything around, and you can still decide, I am loved anyway. You can still go within to visualize what you want to experience or feeling loved within yourself anyway, and go within and be like, what does it feel like to feel loved? Right? Start to normalize that, start to make that natural, and then you will assume that identity. That's who you will identify yourself as being, right? And that will be what you experience more of inside of your reality, because it has to show you that, because you're seeing through the lens, through the perception of, I am loved, everyone loves me, I'm everyone's favorite, I'm number one, all of that, right? So level up your self-concept, your opinion of yourself, and level up your opinion of how you think other people see you. And that's how to make everyone love you. Have an amazing rest of your day.